Hey, buddy. Now your clothes are damp. We'd better get our dryer installed, don't you think? Just like with your washer, you're going to want to make sure your space is suitable. So let's recap a few things. Be sure you have a level, solid surface with enough room for your dryer's depth and width, with an inch to spare. And when you measure the height, be sure to factor in a pedestal, if you bought one. Obviously, if you're stacking your machines, those measurements will differ. You'll need a stacking kit. Now, we'll be talking exclusively about electric dryers. If your model is gas, you'll want to have a professional install or modify any gas lines. When it comes to your electric dryer, keep in mind that the power cord is not included. This is because your home's wall outlet may be either 3 or 4 prong. So you'll need to buy a dryer cord that matches your home outlet. We recommend having a professional installer or electrician attach the power cord to the dryer for you, or refer to the instructions in your user manual. You'll also need to locate your dryer vent. This is a good time to clean your home's exhaust vent so that we can start fresh. Okay, we're ready to get this sucker installed. Dryers are lighter than washers, but they're just as bulky. Have your friend help you move the dryer into place, leaving enough room to install the vent. And for dryers with a steam feature, turn off your water supply and use the included hose and splitter to connect your cold water. For all dryers, connect the exhaust to your vent using 4-inch metal ducting with as few bends as possible. Any excessive kinks, bends, or other problems can cause clogs, which will slow down your dryer and possibly cause damage or fire. Be sure to level your dryer with the leveling feet, clockwise to lower and counterclockwise to raise it. Now to finish up installation, you just need to plug it in and turn it on. Just like with your washer, this is a good time to press all the buttons, turn all the knobs, and test all the functions you can think of. Recap time! Check that you have an appropriate space, ventilation, and electrical hookups in your laundry room. Contact a professional for any necessary gas hookups. And for electric models, be sure you've purchased a plug that fits your wall outlet and have a professional installer or electrician attach it for you. Inspect your dryer exhaust and take this opportunity to clean it out before you move your new dryer into place with your friend's help. If you have a model with a steam cycle, connect your cold water supply. Exhaust your dryer using 4-inch metal ducts and take care not to bend or kink the duct. Now just level your dryer and plug it in. All set! Your dryer is just as essential in a laundry room as your washer, so installing it properly is just as important. With a bit of preparation, you got this!